Why do we never see baby pigeons? Why do you never see a baby pigeon? We get to see all kinds of baby birds, but the one that has been elusive has been a baby pigeon. Let us learn together why we never see baby pigeons. What are baby pigeons called? Baby pigeons are called squabs or squeakers. The young are referred to as squabs until they leave the nest, which usually takes about 30 days from hatching. Squabs grow relatively large before fledging and are popular as food for humans. What do baby pigeons look like? Baby pigeons are not a pretty sight to behold. Young pigeons must be thinking that humans will make fun of how they look. They are often dark-skinned and don't have all of their feathers. Their bodies are covered in the beginning of what will become feathers later. They can be yellow or white in color, though you might see other colors from time to time. The beak, feet and wings are proportionally much larger than the body, however, they grow into these features as they get bigger. The beak is mainly pinkish but can also be a darker color. The feet are a slate gray color. Pigeon babies are usually around 5 centimeters in length when newly hatched. Why do you never see baby pigeons? It is partially due to where adult pigeons build their nest. Pigeons, also known as wild rock doves, build their nests in places that mimic caves and cliffs. In cities, pigeon nests can be found on any opening on window sills, on rooftops of the buildings, under bridges, someplace they find protected. The other reason why squabs are rarely seen is because they spend a long time in their nest and do not venture out till their feathers are fully grown. Pigeons tend to nest in places that are completely out of the way. This usually means places like church towers, under bridges, chimneys, and abandoned buildings in towns and cities. How long do baby pigeons stay in the nest? A female pigeon lays 2 to 3 eggs, 8 to 12 days after mating. The eggs hatch between 16 and 19 days after they have been laid. Hatching occurs any time of the day and takes roughly 24 hours to complete. After the chicks emerge from the shells, parent pigeons remove the empty egg shells from the nest. The amount of time young pigeons spend in the nest depends on the time of year. It is usually between 25 and 32 days in summers, but in winters can be up to 45 days. They stay in the nest as squabs and leave it after they fledge. Adult birds come back to the nest to feed their babies either crop milk, seeds or whichever part of the diet they are on between 3 and 4 times a day. When can baby pigeons feed themselves? Baby pigeons can feed themselves at 20-25 days old. The birds need to eat foods that are easy to digest. They will start to pick on food when they are 3 weeks old, but the parents will keep feeding them. They start drinking at 6 weeks of age. We hope you found the answer to why do we never see baby pigeons? Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for answers to all the why-do questions you may have.